Ukraine has got a dozen of HIMARS supplied from the US, and they've been doing some solid work. We'll talk about that in just a moment. Let's first talk about the M142 HIMAR. Let's start first with the basics, mobility, and armor. The M142 HIMAR was produced by the American Lockheed Martin Missiles and Fire Control. It has a weight of 12,000 kilograms, a length of 7 meters, a width of 2.4 meters, a height of 3.2 meters, and a crew of 3. It has a max rate of fire of 6 rockets, a firing range from 9 km to 300 km, and operational range with maximal fuel tank is around 480 km. Now going to mobility. The rocket launcher system M142 HIMAR is fitted to the 6x6 chassis of the medium tactical vehicles all-wheel drive 5 tons truck. The medium tactical vehicle's standard cargo truck is motorized with the Caterpillar C7 engine coupled to an automatic Allison 3700 SP transmission with a 7-speed, which gives it a maximum speed of around 85 km per hour. This of course gives it very good mobility, which is vital in the battlefield. As for armor, the M142 HIMAR has a light armor to protect against small arms and medium rocket impact 10 meters away and above. This gives it some extra survivability on the battlefield and when moving on main roads that are often ambushed. Now let's talk about the main armament. The M142 HIMARS carry a single 6-pack of rockets on the Army's family of medium tactical vehicles. The HIMARS, or the launcher, consists of a carrier and a fire control system that computes all fire mission data and a launcher loaded module portion that performs all operations necessary to complete a fire mission. This system can fire a range of missiles, like the MLRS or multiple launch rocket system missiles, like the M28A1, which have a range of around 9 kilometers, mostly used for suburban combat. The second category would be GMLRS, or Guided Multiple Launch Rocket System Missiles, like the M30A1 with a range of up to 90 kilometers. These are the ones most supplied to Ukraine in this conflict. The last category of missiles are the Army Tactical Missile System missiles, which have a range of up to 300 kilometers. The US did not supply these types of missiles to Ukraine yet, likely because of their very high cost. Another type of munition that haven't entered combat yet is the precision strike missiles. They will likely enter service around 2024. The precision strike missiles carry a newly designed area effect warhead and has a range of 60 to 500 kilometers. Precision strike missiles can be launched from this HIMAR with rocket pods containing 2 missiles. Now these missiles aren't just about precision, they're also very hard to detect and they deal great damage once they hit the target. And they also have an extended range, as I just mentioned, and that is really useful. The truck-mounted HIMARS launchers that are active in Ukraine fire the currently US-supplied GPS-guided missiles and have an accuracy radius of around 5 meters. And they are also capable of hitting targets up to 90 kilometers away, which is a distance that puts them out of reach of most Russian artillery systems. This system was able to destroy a lot of Russian military equipment. Now of course, being all objective, despite their effectiveness, around 1/4 of the supplied HIMARS has been destroyed by the Russian armed forces, by high-precision ballistic missiles or cruise missiles coordinated with Russian space satellites. And it's not a surprise. The Russian army is very capable. This report was disclosed by the Russian armed forces. The Ukrainian armed forces, however, only claim that only half of what the Russian forces reported has been neutralized. Now, in order for the HIMARS to be effective in the battlefield, they have to be protected. They have to be camouflaged in terrain and protected by air defense systems nearby. Their fast mobility allows them to change positions quickly after firing to escape enemy airstrikes. This gives them more survivability and makes them more effective. Russia said in June 2022 that the M270 MLRS and the M142 HIMARS were the most dangerous and capable weapons available to the Ukrainian military. Because they fly too low and at large numbers, it makes it very hard for the Russian anti-air defense systems to intercept all of them. Usually 20 to 30% of HIMAR barrages make it to their target location, making them pretty effective. Now this was just a small video to explain why HIMARS are pretty good at what they do. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a dislike. Tell us in the comments below what would you like to see next. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you next time.